Hi, I'm Don, here to talk about the brand new Jayco J-Series A-frame camping trailer. I'm super excited to talk about this particular camping trailer because of how versatile it is. I think everybody should own one of these things. First of all, one of the best features is how the thing sets up. Before we set it up, Jeremy, I want you to get a good shot of how small and compact this is. Anybody can tow this. You can take this anywhere. I don't care if you've never had a camping trailer before or you own the biggest diesel pusher there ever was right now. When you want to get into a nice state park, kind of like the one we're shooting in today, this is the thing to have. You can park this right down next to the lake, or you can take this to a family outing or do anything you want with it. It's got to be the most versatile camping trailer I've ever seen. Let me go ahead and start setting this up. So super easy. A couple latches on each side. I'm going to go ahead and walk around right over here. Undo this latch. Notice too, while I'm setting it up, the construction of the Jayco J-Series A-frame camping trailer. All fiberglass, all the way around. So a lot of different brands, you're kind of gonna see some bunch of flimsy parts, not with the Jayco A-frame. You notice how quick and easy this goes up, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that it's all solid laminated fiberglass construction. So super easy. You know, I'm not like the MacGyver type or anything like that. I'm just kind of a regular guy, and I can set this up. So, you know, when it comes to anybody using something like this, just the ease of setting it up, very easy. Go ahead and push up this side here like this, and oops, sorry about that, Jeremy. Get a little lever right here, like that, and it's now super tight. Easy setup, takes 2 seconds. So that's the easy setup of the Jayco A-frame camping trailer. Super easy. Like I said, everybody should have one. You get a good shot of that, you can see how it fits anywhere. So we're gonna walk around the outside. I'm gonna talk about a few of the features on the outside, and then we're gonna go inside. Up front here, you get the front diamond plate exterior, so heavy duty construction. Again, take this thing anywhere. Diamond plate on the front and the back. So if you're running down the road and you got dirt and debris, it's not gonna damage your brand new camping trailer. It's always gonna look nice for a long period of time. Double 20-pound propane bottles. This comes with a cover as well. And so it's never gonna run out of propane, because what will happen is if one gets low, you can just take it off, fill it while you're using the other one. Another great feature I want to point out with any Jayco product, actually, when it comes to a towable, is how Jayco's frame is made. It's really kind of amazing, because there's travel trailers that are $30,000, $40,000, which is, you know, 2-3 times the price of this thing, that don't have the integrated A-frame, which you're kind of getting a good shot of right now, Jeremy. If you can kind of get a shot underneath too, you'll notice that this tongue right here goes right through the front cross member, and then it's welded up underneath to both I-beams on both sides. And what's great about that is this frame is not tack welded. See, a lot of different brands, they actually just tack weld the frame to the front cross member, and a tack weld is just not strong. This here, super strong, super durable. This isn't done on travel trailers that are $40,000, $50,000 from other brands. The Jayco camping trailer, they're doing it even for the most entry-level unit they make all the way on up. Also, notice this has a fully enclosed underbelly, so it's a totally wrapped floor. It has the black flooring so that no mice or any rodents or anything like that can get inside there. Also, notice the water tank that is very large, but also built below the floor, but above the axle. It gives a low center of gravity while still giving you a huge amount of water capacity to take with you on your trip. A couple great features you're gonna see on this. Storage galore. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. You open up this, not sure if you can get a good shot in there. Tons of storage. I'm gonna show you more as we go around too. Small camping trailer, easy to be towed by anybody. 2,000 pounds, yet you can fit, you know, all your fishing poles and camping gear inside there. So it's kind of nice to have all this stuff. Comes with the step, comes with the exterior grab handle. It's got 2 outlets. That's underneath a canopy that comes with it as well, which we don't charge extra for. Outside stereo system. Another great feature here is the tires. So one of the great things with Jayco is they go heavy duty on everything. So it's an inexpensive travel trailer, but it has all the great features. Aluminum polished rims. Steel belted radial tires. That's a big deal. Most camping trailers in this price point are going to have, you know, cheaper tires. They're not going to be steel belted. They're not going to be radial tires, so they're not going to last as long. Notice the exterior mount for the grill. The grill comes with it as well. Again, the storage here is just amazing. You could fit anything inside there. All the lawn chairs you want to bring with you. You just think about all different types of trips you want to go on. You can kind of bring anything you want. Notice also, Jeremy, here the connection for the grill, how simple that is. We talked about the connection up here where it mounts, but that's the connection for the propane too. You have the leveling jacks all the way around. There's 4 of them. Most brands in this price point, you're gonna have to kind of put awkward, hard to maneuver type jacks down there that are just gotta sit in place. These come mounted with it, so it's really nice. As we walk around the back, notice it comes with a spare tire. Again, most brands in this price point, they're gonna charge you extra for that. Not with this, not for this particular unit that we special. The diamond plate has the rear bumper. Notice the exterior marker lights, tons of marker lights for extra safety. As we go around the outside too, I'm gonna point out this has actually a 13.5 BTU air conditioner with a heat strip in it. So heat strip means you're gonna go ahead and get hot air as well as obviously your AC. That's a big deal. Cable TV input. You have your connections for your refrigerator and your water hose. Has a 6-gallon water heater on it as well. It's really got all the features of say a motorhome or a high-end travel trailer, and it's just a small compact camping trailer. Let's go on inside and take a look at a couple other things. As we walk inside the Jayco A-frame camping trailer, I'm going to point out a ton of great features. One of the biggest things is notice the roof vent. Get a good shot of that. One of the great things, obviously this has the AC and the heat that we talked about, but this also has a fantastic roof vent. What's special about this fantastic roof vent is that it's a high-powered roof vent that has actual power fan in it. This pulls in actually 920 cubic feet of air per minute, fresh air per minute, and notice the sign says 10 miles per hour of air, which is really nice because a great cross breeze is really what nature and camping is all about. So I love that. That kind of comes with it, and that's a great feature right there. As we kind of pan around too, notice all the tinted windows. These are all tinted windows. When we were outside and you looked at the video from outside, you noticed that you couldn't really see in. That's a great kind of privacy feature, but also when you're indoors, it shades that sun from coming in and being too strong. So that's a great feature as well. So tinted windows all the way around. Also notice this has got the metal interior for the roof. So we talked about the exterior fiberglass, but the metal interior is great too because it's super durable. If you do decide to cook inside on the cooktop, it's not gonna actually like seep into the ceiling material or whatever, because this is the more durable metal exterior roof. So that's a great feature as well. Also want to point out that this does have the table area that makes into the bed, besides the large queen bed as well. So extra sleeping inside there. I mean, you can really fit a family of 4 in here real nice. And again, kind of go anywhere. Talked about the cooktop. There's your inside cooktop. I also told you it does come with the grill outside, so you have your option of cooking inside or outside, which is really nice. Has the refrigerator, has the sink, has a microwave over here as well. So folks, you kind of see that the Jayco J-Series A-frame camping trailer really is a camping trailer for anyone. I love it because it's really a type of product that anybody can buy, and you really get the enjoyment out of using it. So hopefully we'll see you down at one of our locations, and we'd love to show you in person the Jayco J-Series A-frame camping trailer. Thank you.